You're welcome, Forex Trader. So let's see exactly how you can trade during fundamental news. So this is fundamental news strategy. And right now we go on the chart because you're going to be seeing something like this. So that the moment you see this about to happen during the news, you will know the exact time that you're going to be placing your trade to make the right entry, make the profit before the news is over. All right, so now let's get, first of all, which would you rather prefer? You seeing this, and the moment you just place a trade, it zooms all the way up, does a little stuff here, pulls all the way up again. Meanwhile, this is XAU-USD during fundamental news. Or this, on a normal day, if you're trading XAU-USD or just about any pair at all, this is exactly what you could be seeing. You make your entry, it push all the way up, then it comes right down again. And then sometimes you have even adjusted your SL, then it will tip your SL and then push all the way up again. Comes down, push up. Sometimes it will be here for a couple of hours before it continues. Now, the fundamental news strategies, in case you're wondering, is a strategy that you trade with during news. That means as at the moment of the fundamental, you're checking news, you're checking what the economic situation is. If there is going to be a news that will be impacting the pair that you are trading with, so that that news will not make your stop loss to be hit, right? Okay, so now look at this particular trade. This trade, I did it during the last CPI news, which I even dropped the information, but not everyone trades during the news because there might be whips and then it keeps going in direction. So for this particular trade, how did I actually know to make an entry before the news happened? And this is happening most of the time, that there is high impact news. Now, the first thing you do is go to ChatGPT and ask this question. Now, I need you to understand this one thing. That particular day you want to trade, that you're interested in trading the news, go to ChatGPT. Just see ChatGPT as somebody you can have one-on-one conversation with. Go to ChatGPT and say, will there be a news today? Mention the dates. Today, the 30th day of October 2025, right? You see the exact question I asked, and ChatGPT said yes, there's going to be a news, blah 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 blah. So ChatGPT takes time to tell you everything about what the news is, the time in W80. So if you are in Europe, whatever your time zone, ask it what is the time in Europe, right? What is the exact time in Ghana? You'll be shocked that particular time, because it might give time in EST, in CAT, in WAT, whatever your time zone, right? So now you know there's going to be news. You know the exact time of the news, and you know what type of news it is. Write it down, just so you don't forget, or just take a screenshot or copy the message ChatGPT has shown to you. Now the next thing is, what will now determine whether you should buy or sell. And after this, I'll tell you the exact time depending on whether you're buying or selling. So now you ask ChatGPT, what is the probability percentage that this news will make XAU-USD bullish, right? Remember, you have asked ChatGPT whether there will be high impact news today, the 30th day of October 2025, that is going to affect trading XAU-USD. And it has told you yes, and it has told you all the information you need about the news. So right now you are asking, what is the chance that XAU-USD will be bullish, that XAU-USD will be buying, that XAU-USD will be long during the news? Yeah, like something like this. That means it is long. The screen record I showed you of the last CPI news. So now, if ChatGPT brings the information right here, it says that XAU-USD has 60% chance of being bullish. This is the exact word. It said it has 50 to 60% chance of being bullish. So if you have a 60% chance winning the trade that you're going to be placing, isn't that a lot of secrets? Okay, so at that moment, the next thing you now know is, okay, I'm going to be risking on buying, because it is all on probability, right? So I'm going to be risking to buy XAU but at what time is when I now come in, because most of the time ChatGPT may not tell you the exact time. It can tell you to wait after the news, maybe like 30 minutes time you make an entry, right? So at what time do you buy, during or based on the information you now have? Now the time to buy is, if you're looking at the charts for that day, if it is bearish on this 30th day of October, XAU is bearish on all time frames. 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour, even the lower time frame has clear signs of being bearish. But I had to trade the news, right? So on that day, now you have no need to be bullish. If the chart is still bearish, you are not going to be buying many hours ahead of time so that it won't keep selling while you're panicking about your entry. Now, but if the trend of the market is bullish already, even though it is not yet time of the news, you can look for an entry and enter, even if it is some hours ahead of the news. Just make your entry and lock up, right? But now let's say, like in this case, on the 30th day of October 2025, you see that the price of XAU is bearish and I had to trade the news, so I had to wait. I waited until it was 3 minutes to the time of the news, all right, or 10 minutes or 9 minutes, just few minutes to the time of the news. You already know there's going to be volume in the market. So the particular time for this CPI news was 1:30 p.m. WAT on the 30th day of October 2025. So what I did was, around 10 minutes before the time of the news, I made an entry to buy gold. Yeah, I just funded $100 account, made entry 4 times, 4 positions, and then when it was around 3 minutes to the time of the news, there was some pullback, which could be scary if you have not done your research well. But then for that case, I now said that I'm going to tell you, when you have now made your research, the trend is bearish and you want to trade during the news, 3 minutes before the news, like it is 1:30 p.m. WAT, that means by 1:27 p.m. WAT, you can make your entry on buy. All right, make your entry and then wait for the news. And remember, while you are making your entry, if ChatGPT told you you have 50% chance or 60% chance or 70 or even 85% chance, remember that you still have probability of losing by 15, 20 or 30%. So even if you want to go all in, remember to always risk what you can afford to lose, right? Yeah, because that's forex trading. You're in the market, the slightest can happen. Just that most of the time, when you have done your research well, it goes in your favor, right? So now you have done all this. The right time to make your entry is 3 minutes to the time of the news. I don't know if you have given this video a thumbs up or maybe shared it to help other beginner forex traders. So you see the result of the last CPI news, even in a $100 account. So this is basically how to trade profitably during high impact news or fundamental news. I hope you enjoy this. Check the next video on your screen if you're thinking of profitable or easy forex trading strategy for beginner forex traders.